Oh my gosh.
Should we open it?
Quality. Oh my god. So right now I'm about to do a voiceover for a recipe video that I'm gonna be uploading on Mong Eats. And this one is my spicy fusilli with vodka. I really am super proud of it, so I guess this is just to show you guys like the amount of times we actually have to repeat something to get it on different channels in different forms, because putting it on YouTube is like a little bit long and then it's part of a vlog, but at the same time I'm also using some of the footage for my Mong Eats fam and then post a short version of it on Mong so that people can go over to Mong Eats to watch that video. So yeah, it's quite a lot of repetition and a lot of work. Okay, I'm gonna first familiarize myself with the recipe so I know what to say and I don't like stammer, and I just like use my Viva Video app on my phone to just easily voice record. This is my spicy fusilli with vodka recipe, and I added chicken breast which I've sous vide using fresh lemon and dill. So let's get started. This is how it looks like behind the scenes. So unglam, but anyway, we're trying to capture some like ASMR sounds of making coffee using my Duce Gusto. You guys will see the video soon. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like at the end of everything. Hey, happy Saturday! Today is a special day because we've got a whole lot of Japanese food. My friends are over and we ordered from Sushi Co. I'm gonna show y'all. It's like one of the most expensive meals we're gonna be eating. This circuit breaker. Oh my gosh.
Should we open it?
Quality. Abalone. Look at that. Okay, this one another sushi place called Sushi Koi Ki.
Alright.
Are we feeding 10 people?
Yeah, so that's when your mouth is like, your palate is
in the middle first, then the pen.
Yummy tummy speaking. Talking about which sake to open first. So it's, what sake is this? The best one that you brought, or the worst one that you brought?
I don't know, you know.
Okay, never mind.
I think.
Oh my god, looks great.
You should open the other one, the There's only two of this though.
Normally, like when you eat in a restaurant, you only take one thing at one time.
One dish by one dish, right?
One by myself. Okay, we're having some Magnum.
Classic.
Mashisaya. Huh? That means it's not very nice. Do you manage to crack it?
Talking to us. Is it nice?
Do you manage to crack it? I have no idea what was that, guys.
Better panic.
Kendall's so nervous in front of the camera. I'm having overnight rolled oats. My overnight rolled oats to my peanut butter is 1:1. I can't tell if I prefer almond butter to peanut butter, but peanut butter definitely has a much stronger taste than almond butter. Today is my second session of Profhilo. I'm really excited because my first session was 1 month ago and I really see the results, guys. If I can be very honest, I think that you know how everybody compares like Rejuvenate to Profhilo? After doing both of them, I would go for Profhilo hands down because I really saw a lot of, you know, effects on my skin. And Rejuvenate took me 7 days of downtime, as I mentioned before, but Profhilo took me about 3 days before I could put makeup again, and I didn't look that scary. It wasn't as worrying. Like the trauma wasn't that yeah, it wasn't that big, you know, for Profhilo. Which is why I'm going for the second session. For Rejuvenate, I was supposed to go for 3, but I only managed to do 1 and I was just like, the downtime is just way too long for me to commit to it. So these days, I've been very into storing my coffee like this. These are just some random PR kits that I got, and I've been making kind of like pour-overs in a large batch and just storing them so it's nice and cold and easy for me to just grab and go in the morning. So I've got 2 more, and I got these from Charlotte Tilbury's press kit. So once we're done drinking the drinks, they're gonna go into my coffee making journey. It's actually very strong tasting compared to my pour-overs with ice. Wow, very strong. So this is how it looks like right after. I'm surprised actually, like this time it's not half as painful, and the most painful portions are around the chin and these 2 portions, but even so, I don't even see the bumps being as bad as the previous time. So I don't know if it's just my skin becoming better and like reacting less, or like my doctor is just better. I don't know. Today. So anyway, I'm going home to cook. Right now it's 1 PM, and that's the thing about having to cook for yourself is you do need a lot of prep time. So it's a bit hard when, you know, you're always out and about. But I do try my best to have a heavier breakfast, like you guys saw my overnight oatmeals in the morning, so that I won't be too hungry as I cook for lunch. But because of that, I usually have to have lunch late, and then dinner becomes like a weird timing because I'm not hungry enough for dinner, and then I end up snacking or having supper. So let me know if you guys have any tips for those people who actually need to cook for both lunch and dinners and you're holding a full-time job, or if you're working from home, like what time do you actually start preparing, and if there's any way I can shorten the preparation time, yeah, let me know. If I can say so myself, it's pretty good. Let's try the chicken. So I opted for chicken breast because health. Guys, tonight's dinner deserves a vlog mention. Look at this. It comes with the whole pan, and we got Spanish food from Don Quixote. Oh, let's not forget this. Look at how big this like barramundi is. And of course, Spanish food is not complete without churros. I don't know how they managed to like deliver it still so piping hot and like crispy looking. And anyway, there's chocolate sauce for it. Tanta. Here it is. Slurp, slurp, slurp.